How to fix your wireless mouse not working on Windows. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys what you can do if your wireless mouse is not working. But before we begin, make sure to hit down below to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to check if it's your mouse's battery is dead or not. You might want to replace your battery and check if it works again. And if it still doesn't work, then the battery is not the issue. So what you can do is check the receiver of your mouse. So just plug out your wireless receiver from here, and once you plug it out, you just plug it back again. So just remove your USB and then plug it back again. Doing this might fix the issue, and try to restart your computer after you do this, and then it should work. But if it's still not working, then what you can do is search for device manager, and once you open up your device manager, you see an option for mice and other pointing devices. So just use your keyboard to head over to mice and other pointing devices, and from here you can click on this drop down and click on this HID compliant mouse. And from here on the top, you can see this device is working properly, but if it's not, it might show something else here. So make sure that you check it as well, and then go ahead and click on driver. Then you are going to uninstall this driver. And once you do this, you are going to plug it back again, and it's going to install again. So once you do that, give your PC a quick restart, and then you should be good to go. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.